Hello students, my name is Parth Kumar Singh and I am an alumnus of IIT Jodhpur. Today we are going to discuss a question that was asked in NEST 2022 session 1. So basically in this question, the compound X is given and it does not react with aqueous NaOH at 80 degrees centigrade. The reason is that, so basically there are 4 reasons and you have to select the correct one. Now if you closely look this compound, okay, so this is the center where probably they are asking to have the substitution of OH ions with this Cl ions, and because we know that aqueous NaOH is known to be the reagent that causes substitution, right, in halides. Now the thing is that they are saying that even at 80 degrees centigrade this reaction is not feasible. So the reason, the 2-methyl group offers a steric hindrance to the incoming nucleophile. So basically they are talking about these 2 methyl groups. Now second point, the CCl bond is strong and does not dissociate under the reaction condition. Okay, the plus I effect of methyl group destabilizes the carbocation. This one, okay, so the cyclic structure, the last one, the cyclic structure prevents the formation of carbocation. Okay, so now this statement is incorrect because plus I effect we know that stabilizes carbocation rather than destabilizing it. So this is an incorrect statement. The CCl bond is strong and does not dissociate under the reaction condition. There is nothing such that we cannot break this bond because of the strength of the bond, because we know that just a CCl bond, sigma bond, especially when it is not under any kind of delocalization or partial double bond character, it can be broken down easily because it is a highly polar bond. So this option is also not too valid. The 2 methyl groups offers a steric hindrance to the incoming nucleophile, which is practically not possible that these 2 particular methyl groups can significantly hinder the incoming nucleophile, because the incoming nucleophile is coming to this carbocation from an entire different plane, and that too, if the carbocation forms here, the nucleophile OH minus have different possibilities of attacking to this particular center above and below. So even if this CH3 groups can offer a significant amount of hindrance when OH minus comes from above the plane, then it has other possibility to attack below the plane. So the reaction should proceed, but in a different way. But the reaction, since it is not proceeding, we can say that this is also not the correct reason. The left one is what is the correct reason, and actually this particular reason can be attributed to the fact that here we will apply Brett's rule, and according to Brett's rule, the carbocation or an alkene on the bridgehead carbon is not stable. So basically we can see that this is the bridgehead center, right? So any carbocation or an alkene that is located at bridgehead is not stable as per the Brett's rule, and that is why this carbocation cannot form here, and significantly OH ions cannot attack here and cause the substitution reaction. But just for your knowledge, I would like to inform you that recently a research has been made which actually disproves the Brett's rule and says that yes, now we can prepare carbocations like this under certain conditions. So just for your extra knowledge, Brett's rule is no more. But yeah, this question was actually solved just like this, and if you like this question, then you can always comment down and you can tell us what else you want to see. Thank you.